Today we're taking a look at the Sea to Summit Thermolite Fabric Reactor sleeping bag liner. They do use the Thermolite fabric when they make this. It is said to bring up to 14 degrees extra temperature to your temperature range to your sleeping bag. Sea to Summit claims that this weighs 8.7 ounces. Brought the scale out here today so we could just take a look at it together. I am getting 8.96 ounces. Oh, it's kind of bouncing back and forth here. So pretty close to what they're claiming. The part of what they say about this is that it weighs as much as 2 sticks of butter. Thermolite is a fabric that is said to be a hollow fiber, so somewhat similar to a fur of a polar bear, where the fibers themselves can actually trap heat and insulate you better than a fleece fabric or the fibers used in a fleece fabric. This does compact down quite small. I mean, as you can see, fitting in one hand, it's about the size of a I don't know, 3.5 or so inches across here, and then we're probably looking at about 6 inches in length. It is a very soft material. They include this stuff sack. Generally, I choose to not carry the stuff sack, just allowing it to kind of fill in the small gaps in my pack as I carry it. The fixed cord on the top for the cinch kind of just opens up there, and then it's got a flap for just some moisture barrier, and then on the inside it is a hooded sleeping bag liner, so there is a cinch cord inside the hood, which is this blue channel here, and there is a little opening there so that you can pull the cord when you are cinching it down around your face. You can see that it's almost completely see-through, the material itself, and it is very soft. It almost resembles the feel of like a very thin cotton. Very impressed with it though. It's relatively large, 7 foot long is what they listed at. Of course, when you get inside and it fills up a little bit, it does take away some of the length. But I've been very happy with this. I've used it on a number of occasions inside of my 15 degree down quilt, and it's definitely helped me get down into single digits. So I would say that there is a lot of benefit to carrying something like this, especially on the colder winter trips. If you have any questions or would like any more information about it, please leave a comment down in the comments box. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and hope you found some good information in this video.